What are you working on today?
Let me show you.
So I just finished a training with 3 new agents that joined our brokerage. They all love technology and were really impressed by this tool. So excited to continue to share it. So it is branded searching, which I don't know about you guys, but when selling real estate, that's what people want, is they want a pretty place to search that's easy and useful, hopefully better than some of the public places they can go to. And you want the ability to kind of see what they're doing and make it great. There is more capability in here than it just being a search platform. What I love is stuff about listings. So it gives you information, it gives you analytics about listings, it can give you market alerts on different things, and of course, tons and tons of branded content for all of your customers. It's an app on your phone, it's an app on their phone, and it looks great.